Have you ever wondered how a tiny pill can relieve pain, lower fever, or even save lives? What if I told you that inside every medicine, there's a world of chemical reactions happening at a microscopic level? Today, we will unlock the secrets of how chemistry helps fight diseases and keeps us healthy. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of molecules, reactions, and medical discoveries that shape our future. Everything around us is made of molecules, and our bodies are no exception. But sometimes, things go wrong. Viruses attack, bacteria multiply, and organs fail. That's where chemistry steps in as the ultimate problem solver. Scientists have spent centuries exploring how different substances interact with the body, leading to the creation of powerful medicines. But how exactly do these tiny chemical compounds know where to go and what to do? Let's start with painkillers, one of the most common types of medicine. When you have a headache, your body produces chemicals called prostaglandins that send pain signals to your brain. Medicines like aspirin and ibuprofen work by blocking the enzymes responsible for prostaglandin production. This simple yet brilliant chemical trick reduces inflammation and pain, giving you relief within minutes. But what happens when we need to fight something more dangerous, like a deadly infection? Imagine you have a bacterial infection. Bacteria are living organisms that multiply rapidly, and some can be deadly. That's where antibiotics come in. These medicines work by targeting the bacteria's cell walls or essential functions, stopping them from growing or even killing them entirely. One of the most famous antibiotics, penicillin, was discovered by accident in 1928 when Alexander Fleming noticed that a mold called penicillium was killing bacteria in his petri dish. But not all diseases are caused by bacteria. Viruses like the flu or COVID-19 are much smaller and trickier to deal with. Unlike bacteria, viruses don't have their own metabolism. They invade our cells and use them to replicate. That's why antiviral drugs work differently. Instead of killing the virus directly, they either prevent the virus from entering cells or block its ability to reproduce. For example, some flu medications stop the virus from spreading between cells, reducing the severity of symptoms. The real magic of chemistry and medicine happens at the molecular level. Take chemotherapy drugs, for example. Cancer is caused by cells that grow uncontrollably. Chemotherapy drugs use powerful chemical compounds to target and destroy these rapidly dividing cells. However, since normal cells also divide, these drugs can have side effects, which is why scientists are constantly searching for smarter treatments, like targeted therapies that attack only cancerous cells. One of the most futuristic breakthroughs in medicine is nanotechnology. Scientists are developing nanoparticles, tiny structures that can deliver medicine directly to the affected area. Imagine microscopic robots carrying medicine straight to a tumor, attacking only cancerous cells while leaving healthy ones untouched. This level of precision could revolutionize treatments and reduce side effects dramatically. Speaking of innovation, have you ever heard of CRISPR? It's a groundbreaking gene editing technology that allows scientists to modify DNA with incredible accuracy. While it's not exactly a medicine, CRISPR could be used to correct genetic disorders before they even cause disease. Imagine a future where conditions like sickle cell anemia or cystic fibrosis are eliminated simply by fixing the faulty genes inside our bodies. Another fascinating area of chemistry in medicine is anesthetics. When you undergo surgery, doctors use chemicals that temporarily block nerve signals, preventing pain. The first anesthetic, ether, was used in the 19th century, and since then, scientists have developed much safer and more effective options. Without chemistry, modern surgery as we know it wouldn't exist. Even something as simple as vaccines relies on chemistry. Vaccines introduce harmless pieces of viruses or bacteria into the body, training the immune system to recognize and fight the real threat. Thanks to vaccines, diseases like smallpox have been completely eradicated and millions of lives have been saved. But how do scientists create new vaccines, and why does it take time to develop them? Creating a vaccine is like designing a security system for your body. Scientists first identify which part of a virus triggers the immune response. Then they develop a safe version of that component, either a weakened virus, a piece of its protein, or even genetic instructions to make the protein inside our cells. This way, when the real virus attacks, the immune system is already prepared. But vaccine development takes time because researchers must test its safety and effectiveness before it reaches the public. Another crucial aspect of chemistry in medicine is how drugs are absorbed, distributed, and eliminated by the body. When you swallow a pill, it doesn't just work instantly. First, it dissolves in your stomach and enters your bloodstream. Then it travels to the target area, interacts with cells, and finally breaks down in the liver before being excreted. This process, called pharmacokinetics, helps scientists design medicines that last longer and work more effectively. However, not all medicines are taken as pills. Some drugs must be injected directly into the bloodstream for faster effects, while others, like asthma inhalers, go straight to the lungs. Even something as common as a nicotine patch relies on chemistry. It releases small amounts of nicotine through the skin, helping people quit smoking. Scientists are constantly developing new ways to deliver medicines more efficiently. One of the biggest challenges in medicine today is antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are evolving, and some strains have become resistant to multiple drugs. This means that common infections could become deadly again if we don't find new solutions. Scientists are exploring alternative treatments, such as bacteriophages, viruses that specifically attack harmful bacteria. These microscopic warriors could become a powerful weapon against superbugs. Medicine isn't just about fighting disease, it also improves the quality of life. Pain management, hormone therapy, antidepressants, and even artificial organs are all results of chemical innovations. Consider insulin, a life-saving hormone for diabetics. Originally, it was extracted from animals, but thanks to genetic engineering, scientists can now produce human insulin using bacteria. This breakthrough has helped millions of people worldwide. Even in space, chemistry plays a crucial role in keeping astronauts healthy. Without gravity, their bodies change, bones weaken, and radiation exposure increases. Scientists develop special medications, protective coatings, and even nutritional supplements to keep astronauts strong. One day, these advancements could help humans survive on Mars. Looking ahead, the future of chemistry and medicine is full of possibilities. Scientists are developing AI-driven drug discovery, where artificial intelligence analyzes billions of chemical compounds to find new treatments faster than ever. Personalized medicine is also on the rise. One day, people might receive tailor-made drugs based on their unique DNA, ensuring maximum effectiveness with minimal side effects. Imagine a future where diseases are detected before symptoms appear, where medicine adapts to your body's needs in real time, and where genetic disorders are erased before birth. This isn't science fiction. It's the direction medical chemistry is heading. Every day, researchers around the world are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, bringing us closer to a world where illness is no longer a threat. So, the next time you take a pill or get a vaccine, remember that it's not just a simple cure. It's a masterpiece of chemistry, the result of years of scientific breakthroughs. Medicines are more than just chemicals. They are the key to saving lives, improving health, and shaping the future of humanity. If you found this journey into the world of medical chemistry fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What medical discovery amazes you the most? Your support helps us create more exciting science stories. See you in the next video.